Hello and welcome to another update video about LINK. LINK continues to be in this price channel, never-ending story, forever price channel. No sign of a breakout yet, but I have to say that LINK is still holding quite well compared to some other coins, of course. Okay, so the situation is still that LINK is in the price channel. So choppy price action, the roadmap still shows a likelihood and potential of lower prices, maybe even into the $3 region. That's of course not guaranteed. It would be good for the chart, though, believe it or not. First of all, I guess anybody who wants to get some LINK coins for the long term would be quite happy about those lower prices. In addition to that, LINK isn't behaving very well. The problem is with that so far we haven't got a complete looking downside structure, which means that if the price now moves higher, it leaves the door open for another drop afterwards to complete this overall correction. We talked about that in previous videos. While at the moment, this wave 4, which is basically the second to last wave of this downward cycle, the last wave will be the wave 5. So the idea this wave 4 could be in, right? But then I would like to see this wave 5 to be completed in the price channel, yeah, more directly. Making another bear market low would be ideal. At least one more low, I'd be happy, or two would be ideal. The problem is we don't get that, then it means that this wave 4 might just reset a little higher and that we're dealing with a flat structure here. Basically what I have labeled as wave 4 would just be an A wave. The move down would be an overshooting B wave, and then we would see a C wave to the upside, and this wave 4 would just reset a little higher. And that could be, of course, an impulse, yeah, or a corrective rally. And then we could still do that fifth wave afterwards. That is the main problem. That's an absolute valid and likely scenario. And that is a problem. So what I would really like to see is just one more low. I know everybody gets annoyed also with LINK because it has taken a long time. And yeah, it's just not behaving. It's just not, you know, it's... It would honestly be good for the chart to make another low, because first of all, it would complete its downside structure and it would tidy the entire mess up that LINK produced here in the last 1.5 years, really. So it would be good for the chart, but obviously nobody can force the market to do anything. The market will decide, but it's worth knowing what could happen here. So it shows some weakness now, but this might turn into an inverse head and shoulders or something if we get a break above this descending trend line, the upper boundary line of the trend channel. We have Fibonacci resistance as well. You see that this Fibonacci resistance has been absolutely crucial because the price has reacted to it now a few times. It goes all the way up to $8.46. This wave count is basically valid until we see a break above that level. If we see a break above that level, we are still caught below the $9.50 level, which is a critical resistance, structural resistance. It is here the range resistance that the price has moved below since May 2022, and a break above $9.50, yeah, that can send us higher in the fourth wave. But until then, it's caught in the range. So that could be a significant breakout, of course. And we all know that. Been talking about that, that a break above that range could be quite an aggressive move, but it could eventually just lead to another low afterwards. I just want to make everybody aware of that. Just be mindful of that. It's of course not guaranteed. I mean, to be honest, we need to break out in the end to move to new all-time highs. The problem is if we do that without making another low before, it just increases the risk that we will get another low afterwards and we don't see a new all-time high before that low. It will just delay this entire rally. It's at least a likely scenario. Yeah, the problem is it's just not behaving. So if we get a break out of this price channel, then, I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if it then rallies all the way to 18. That might cause a bit of FOMO. That could just be an extended fourth wave, as I said. So we will have to pay attention to that. But at the moment, there's no change anyway. Very, very slow price action. Caught just hanging just below the resistance level. And what's different this time is a little bit, it didn't get rejected very quickly. I mean, the last few times, as you can see here, we had very fast and rapid rejections there. At the moment, it's consolidating quite a bit up there. Yeah, but we'll see. I mean, I cannot confirm a breakout right until we have a signal or anything. So I have to remain focused on the current trend, which is here the yellow wave count. Keep you updated if something changes. I will let you know. I hope you will like the update. If you did, please hit the like button. leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.